Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back on this channel. So for today we'll be doing this really minimal eye makeup. So let's get started. So for the eyeshadow I have Try Sugar's 02 Warrior. This is such a beautiful palette and you can find blues with a lot of neutrals, and for this eye makeup look I'm using this particular brush set from Morphe that just got launched on Nykaa recently. So I've just primed my eyes and this is the very first shade that I'm picking from this particular palette, and on a kind of a flat shader brush I am just packing it on the outside portion of my eye. So there is one tip that I really want to share with you is that just go slow, go in the layers, and if you think that you need more color payoff, go again. So next time I'm going in with this particular color. This is named as peachy yellow in the very same palette, and I love this particular color in the palette so much. Generally such sort of light colors are very patchy, but to be honest this is quite the opposite with Dry Sugar. The colors that you are seeing here are not at all patchy. They blend so well. And next in I'm just picking up a hint of black and I'm just depositing in the very outer corner. I'm just going in the light layers. As you can see, I've diffused it in the outside corner, and now I'm just doing my regular eyeliner. This is not any sort of flake or winged eyeliner. I'm just making it thicker from the very outside corner and thinner from the inside one. It just opens up the eyes. So for the gold eyeliner I just did my own little DIY. This is the gold eyeshadow from the very same palette. I mixed the shade in the makeup mixing liquid and we have our own DIY gold eyeliner, and this doesn't flake off, breaks, anything, and it is waterproof as well. All the links of the products that I'm using in this one in this particular video will be in the description box, so make sure that you check, especially this palette. This is such good palette, I tell you guys. And for the inner corner I am doing the very same highlighting eyeliner thing, and here we go.